Introducing Lyft Certified's Train the Trainer Plus program, a revolutionary new approach to in-house forklift training. Train the Trainer Plus is ideal for companies who have a high turnover of forklift operators, certify a large number of operators, have multiple locations, or currently using an in-house Train the Trainer program. Train the Trainer Plus is an online program that trains a designated employee how to become an effective in-house trainer. It includes everything you need, including online theory and automated practical evaluations. The program offers a step-by-step online tutorial that teaches your in-house trainer how to set up a space to provide a quick and efficient practical evaluation using your existing workplace environment, interview a candidate to assess their previous experience, conduct a practical evaluation and pre-shift inspection, and exercises to assess an operator's driving skills and their material handling abilities. Train the Trainer Plus also includes an online forklift theory course developed by industry experts to deliver the highest, most consistent quality of training for operators. This new course is interactive and engaging for all learning styles. The best part is that operators can complete the online theory course anytime, anywhere, from any mobile device. The online theory program is available in multiple languages to ensure the most complete and accurate transfer of knowledge. This course also comes with a free tablet to complete practical evaluations, which includes both an automated evaluation form and grading system. How does it work? Your in-house trainer easily assigns operators to take the online theory course. Once the online theory course is completed, your trainer will be notified via email and is now ready to conduct the practical evaluation using the provided tablet. The evaluation form consists of a simple yes or no answer that the trainer can easily select. Once the evaluation has been successfully completed, a certificate will be automatically generated and stored within the online portal for easy access of all training documents. There's a lot more to Train the Trainer Plus than simplicity and convenience. It provides automatic legislation updates and recertification notifications, can be customized to reflect your company colors and logo, and gives you 24/7 access to all your training records in our customer portal. And once you sign up, each user will have full access to our entire workplace safety platform to take courses like Aerial Work Platform, WMIS, Fall Protection, Pedestrian and Supervisor Safety Awareness, Workplace Violence and Harassment Prevention, TDG, Confined Spaces and Lockout Tagout, and more. All of this for a low monthly subscription. Welcome to the new era of forklift training.